I think I just found the movie trailer voice guy. Listen to this.
The driver, coming soon.
What? Hey guys, how's it going? Today, I'm going to show you how you can hire people who are actually good at their jobs to finish parts of your projects like sound design and voice acting. I recently made a little short film called The Driver, and I did all the sound design myself using royalty-free music from Artlist. If you want to check out that video, you can just click on the card right up on over here. And although I was super happy with how it turned out, I figured I could take this thing to the next level if I hired a professional sound designer to redo the whole sound design for me. And I also thought it would be really cool if I hired a voice actor to do that deep movie trailer voice to say, "The Driver, coming soon." See, I'm obviously not the right person to be doing that, which is why I want to find the right person for the job. Now, I had no idea where to even start looking for something like this. Is there a database of people who sound like this? Is there somewhere I could easily look for and find people who do sound design and voice acting? That's when I came across Backstage, who I want to thank for sponsoring today's video. So if you're not familiar with Backstage, they are an online platform where you can find all kinds of talent for your production and videos. You can perform a search on their site for actors, voice actors, and so much more, and even put out a casting notice for your video or production where you list exactly what your production is and what you're looking for, and the talent applies to your casting call. And when you're creating your first posting on Backstage, you can actually post your first job for free by using the promo code AlexPerri. So make sure you sign up today to start casting the best voiceover and acting talent. So all I had to do was sign up as a creator and create a job posting looking for talent. Then I just filled in all the details and I was good to go. So my casting call was for a male voice actor to do the traditional movie trailer voice and a sound editor to complete the short film trailer, needing to do full sound design for the trailer. And I seriously got like over 100 applicants within a 24-hour span. So it was actually quite overwhelming and I had to pause the listing so I could take the proper time to go through all of the applications. And before I knew it, I found Levi Lamberjack, who is a sound designer. And what I saw from his portfolio, he was a perfect guy for the job. And then I just came across the most perfect voice actor. I think I just found the movie trailer voice guy. Listen to this.
The driver, coming soon.
What? So I reached out to Connor, told him I was interested in hiring him to do the voice for my short film here, and he was down for the project. The great thing about this is you can get your voice actors to say absolutely anything in the world, anything you want to, like Alex Perri, film director. Hey Connor, can you say that for me?
Sure. Alex Perri, film director.
Sweet. Hey Connor, can you say Alex Perri, legendary filmmaker?
Sure. Alex Perri, legendary filmmaker.
Nice. Oh, hey Connor, can you say this for me? From the brilliant mind of legendary filmmaker Alex Perri.
Oh boy. From the brilliant mind of legendary filmmaker Alex Perri.
Right. Hey Connor, I got one more for you. How about Alex Perri is ridiculously good looking?
Alex Perri is ridiculously good looking. Oh, you know what? I'm not doing this anymore. F this shit. I'm out. God, this stupid, self-involved thing. He's not paying me enough for this.
Anyway, after asking Connor to record the real lines, he got back to me within a matter of a few hours, and everything was just absolutely perfect. And for my sound design, my ask for Levi was a little bit more involved, but he was totally up for the challenge as well. I asked Levi to redo absolutely everything you hear in the little short film. So the entire sound design was to be stripped out, just every single sound you hear, the helicopters flying overhead, the police sirens, the radio chatter, all that stuff, take it all out, strip it down to bare bones, and then he was to redo all those sounds in the way he wanted to for the whole short film. And also, when I was going through his portfolio, I noticed he had some really cool musical scores that he was able to do as well. So I asked him if he could score my short film as well. And within about a week or so, Levi sent everything my way, and it was absolutely perfect. Now, the only thing left was to see how I could put this all together to create the final product. This was a combination of three creative minds coming together while being separate and individual from each other to create one final product here. And I've never really gone through this type of process before. I've never had anybody else do sound design for my projects for me. I've done them all myself. So I was a little nervous at first, but I was super excited to see how the three of us can put all of our talents together to create this finished product. So here's how it turned out. Check it out.
High-speed chase is currently underway. Police are currently in
pursuit of a Caucasian male in a black sedan. They recently lost him on I-51 moments ago, and... oh, we've just got word that it seems the vehicle has been located.
The Driver, coming soon to a theater near you.
I could not be happier with how this whole thing turned out. It was such a good experience, not only using Backstage to help facilitate all of this, but also working with such talented people to really help elevate this project. You know, sometimes it really is better to just hire the right people for the job, instead of doing it all yourself, like I always do. And using Backstage makes all of that super easy to be able to do all of that. I really wouldn't have known where to start to find people like this to complete my project, so thank you so much Backstage, and I'll definitely be using them again for a lot of my future projects. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Is this something that you would find interesting to use for your future projects? Let me know in the comments down below. And also while you're at it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button down below if you like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date with all of the future videos I am posting. There's lots more cool stuff coming your way, so you're not going to want to miss it. As always, I'm Perri. Thanks so much again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya!